The sunscreen cream that I'm going to show you how to make today, it's very special and probably better than a lot of recipes that you see out there, because the ingredients that I'm using to make this cream, it's very special. It goes very well with the combination of the zinc oxide, so it can give you a very nice protection to your skin, a very nice barrier against the sun. It is waterproof, so it doesn't wash away, so you can just enjoy it at beach, in water, in swimming pool. Just a little bit of it goes a long way. You don't need a lot of amount of it for the protection. You will just, when you use it, you will understand it. So it stays a long time for you. It has a long shelf life, so you do not need to worry about being expired. And we are not using any additive or preservative to make this cream, so it's completely natural and skin friendly. And the ingredients in the cream, it is the most similar to the skin texture of the human, so this cream is really perfect sunblock cream for you. Let's head to my kitchen and do this cream. And as always, I always link down all my ingredients that I use to make this cream, which is always the best quality, at the description box of the video. So if you would like, you can go and check them out.